Did you know that one helicopter crash almost ruined the most important military mission in modern history? On May the 2nd, 2011, two stealth helicopters carried Navy SEAL Team 6 into Pakistan. Their target was a three-story compound in Abbottabad, where Osama bin Laden was hiding. But as they approached, the first helicopter suddenly lost lift and crashed into the compound wall. The loud crash woke everyone inside and compromised their surprise attack. For 23 minutes, Washington lost all communication with the team. The SEALs had to fight their way through each floor, not knowing if backup would come. On the third floor, they found their target and eliminated him with precise shots to the head. But now they were trapped with one destroyed helicopter and the entire Pakistani military closing in.